I was on a Zoom call today with California realtors, and we were talking about the California future laws about using gas appliances and so forth in your house. So I'm here in Nevada. I'm a realtor here in Nevada. And I just thought of another reason why, a good reason why Californians would like to live in Las Vegas. That is, besides, there's no income tax here. That's a huge one. And the price of homes is a lot less than California. Average price single family home around $600,000. But that's not the point here. It's that gas appliances, gas furnaces, and gas connections to houses will be severed in 2030 in California. So, what does that mean? That means you will not be able to have a gas furnace connection. You will not be able to have gas appliances after 2030. When they build homes, they will not even have natural gas going to the home. Those cozy fireplaces you see with natural gas, not anymore. And also gas stoves. If there's no gas hookup, there's not going to be a gas stove in your kitchen. I consider that a huge downside because for cooking, almost everyone knows gas is better than any kind of electric stoves and cooking. And yes, induction and so forth, very good. But you talk to chefs, 95% of chefs choose gas for cooking. And gas furnaces are nice and warm. I used to live on the East Coast. I'd much rather have a gas furnace than a heat pump, but all the homes will be having heat pumps in California in a few years. And of course, this is for, they say, for environmental reasons, but it has a load and it has a cost to the average Californian, the average homeowner. So also, speaking of load, the load on the system. So if your house is fully electric, that means that the grid has to be able to provide good service at all times for all your electric appliances. So if you're charging your EV and you have a gas appliances, you have a gas, I'm sorry, if you have a charging EV and you have electric appliances, all electric home, electric furnace, electric water heater, okay, you get the point. Everything is electric. Let's just hope you have enough generated electricity in California to cover all that, because that's definitely going to be an issue. So I hope you come and see us in Las Vegas sometime. California is a great place, but I just thought it's another really good reason why people are coming here. It's Martin Guaglione from eXp Realty. Contact me and see my information below. Thank you very much. Bye.